Sit. Ziva, you don't get a treat till she sits. Sit.
Small bite.
Catch it.
Can you sit down and listen?
Let's go. We're going on a car ride.
Guys, come for a shower with me.